colleagues, distinguished guests, and dedicated professionals of the maritime industry. It is a real privilege to stand before you today, and I want to thank the Nautical Institute of Pakistan, the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport, the Institute of Chartered Shipbrokers, and the Pakistan Merchant Navy Officers Association for organising today's seminar. As we gather here in Karachi, a city with boundless potential as a maritime hub, we are reminded of the critical role safety plays in the management of our marine environments and the safeguarding of our maritime professionals. For a country like Pakistan, incorporating the blue economy in a national economy is of utmost importance. You know that Pakistan has a coastline of over 1,000 kilometres, which is home to a number of different species of marine mammals, plants, and indeed mineral resources also. The blue economy of Pakistan has been neglected for many years before the focus has now shifted towards it. The industry has not used its full potential, and this has a potential to generate around $100 billion for the Pakistani economy. This year, as we heard earlier, marks a notable milestone, the 50th anniversary of the 1974 SOLAS Convention, a testament to our ongoing commitment to maritime safety. The theme, Navigating the Future, Safety First, aptly reflects our collective efforts to enhance maritime safety, ensuring it keeps pace with the rapid technological innovations and advancements, and indeed the growing threats, as a colleague mentioned earlier, of climate change on the sea. The UK is incredibly proud of being a leader in maritime safety standards. The Maritime and Coast Guard Agency of the UK is instrumental in shaping international safety regulations through the International Maritime Organisation. Our commitment extends to developing cutting-edge safety technologies such as autonomous vessels, advanced navigational aids, both drastically minimising risks at sea. Moreover, the UK has some of the world's leading maritime training facilities, including Warsash Maritime School and the City of Glasgow College, which are key in developing top-tier maritime professionals who carry forward our safety standards globally. I also want to acknowledge and congratulate Pakistan for ratifying the Hong Kong Convention on Ship Recycling. This step is crucial for ensuring that ships, at the end of their operational lives, do not pose undue risks to health, safety, or the environment. Just a small digression. Earlier this week, I was privileged to host Royal Navy's Commodore Anderson, who's the deputy head of the CMF. He was here in Pakistan to congratulate the Pakistan Navy for the work they do as part of the 46 Nations CMF, protecting lives at sea and ensuring from east of Pakistan through to Tanzania. And I think the very fact of his visit demonstrates the links that we hold so clear in these two maritime nations. The theme of this year's World Maritime Day aligns closely with several UN Sustainable Development Goals, emphasising integration of sustainability into maritime safety practices. This alignment underscores our shared vision for a safer, more sustainable maritime future. I want to thank you for your commitment and your warm hospitality, and let us continue to steer the course of maritime safety practices where every innovation and regulatory measure enhances the safety and efficiency of our operations. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for inviting me to speak today, and I wish you a productive discussion. Thank you.